Do you feel tired even after sleeping, struggling to build muscle? Low confidence, low motivation, or stubborn belly fat? What if the real problem is one single hormone silently dropping inside your body? That hormone is testosterone. Today, I'll explain what testosterone really is, how your body makes it, why it's decreasing, and simple home hacks to increase it naturally. No medicines, no supplements. Watch till the end, because one small habit I'll share can change everything. Testosterone is a natural hormone, mainly found in men, but women also have it in smaller amounts. Think of testosterone as the body's engine oil. Without it, the engine still runs, but performance, power, and efficiency drop. Testosterone controls muscle growth, energy levels, fat burning, bone strength, confidence and motivation, and sex drive. A simple example. Two men eat the same food and do the same workout. One builds muscle easily, the other doesn't. Why? The first man has higher testosterone. Scientifically, testosterone is an androgen hormone, which means it develops and maintains male physical and mental characteristics. Testosterone production starts in the brain, not in the muscles. Here's a simple breakdown. Hypothalamus, brain, dust, the manager. Pituitary gland, the supervisor. Testes is the factory. The brain sends a signal like, we need more testosterone. The pituitary releases a hormone called LH, luteinizing hormone, which tells the testes, produce testosterone. This system is called the HPT axis. If the manager is stressed, the factory slows down. Stress, poor sleep, bad diet, show weak signals, low testosterone. Let's understand what testosterone actually does with examples. For muscles, testosterone increases protein synthesis, which builds muscle. That's why teenage boys grow muscle faster than older men. For fat loss, testosterone helps burn fat, especially belly fat. Low testosterone equals fat storage mode. High testosterone equals fat burning mode. For bones, it increases bone density. Low testosterone men are at higher risk of fractures. For the brain and mood, it improves confidence, focus, and motivation. Men with low testosterone often feel lazy, anxious, or unmotivated. For sexual health, testosterone controls libido and performance. Low testosterone doesn't just affect the body, it affects self-esteem. Testosterone peaks around age 20-25. After that, it drops about 1% per year naturally. But modern lifestyle accelerates this decline. Major reasons include poor sleep. Sleeping 5 hours instead of 7-8 can drop testosterone by 10-15% in 1 week. Chronic stress raises cortisol. High cortisol means low testosterone. Bad diet with too much sugar and junk food increases insulin and fat, both reduce testosterone. A sedentary lifestyle tells the body we don't need strength. Alcohol damages testosterone-producing cells directly. Now the most important part, how to increase it naturally. First, strength training. The best exercises are squats, deadlifts, push-ups and pull-ups for 30-45 minutes, 3-4 times a week. Second, sleep like a champion for 7-9 hours daily. Testosterone is produced during deep sleep. Third, get 15 to 30 minutes of daily sunlight for vitamin D. Fourth, eat healthy fats from eggs, nuts, olive oil, and ghee. Fifth, reduce stress through walking, meditation, or breathing exercises. Sixth, build confidence and purpose. Winning increases testosterone. What to avoid? Steroids, fake testosterone boosters, overtraining, and extreme dieting. Natural is always safer and stronger long-term. Testosterone is not just about muscles. It's about energy, confidence, strength, mental clarity, and quality of life. Your body already knows how to produce it. You just need to support it. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe and comment testo if you want a daily testosterone boosting routine video next.